Every business should have SOPs. Excuse me, as a military spouse, I'm inclined to use acronyms. SOP means Standard Operating Procedures. An essential part of every great business plan is to write standard operating procedures. They simplify training new team members, ensure consistency in the product or service your business offers, and ensures your business knowledge is not lost when an employee leaves the employment of your company. Implementation of SOPs can be a valuable asset for your business. Hi, I'm Melissa St. Clair, Chief Worker Bee at Paper Chaser Biz LLC. In this video, I will share the buzz on why you should write standard operating procedures. SOPs are key to your business success. These valuable documents outline the processes of your business in a concise, understandable way. When you write standard operating procedures, be sure to cover the who, what, why, when, and how of each process. What are the elements of a good SOP? A title page. Include the name of the process and the responsible department. Table of contents. The table of contents will help the user quickly find the information they need. Responsibility. Who is responsible for performing the procedure? Who is responsible for supervising the work of the procedure? Accountability. An SOP holds the staff accountable to the expected level of performance. Procedure. Define the scope of the procedure clearly. Be sure to define the terminology and any acronyms. Outline the comprehensive steps of the procedure. Add any supplemental information such as equipment information, safety procedures. Include whatever metrics you use to determine the procedure is complete, correctly, and efficiently. You should have a plan for your SOP before you begin writing. Let's look at a quick overview of the steps to follow. Create a flowchart or mind map of the procedure from beginning to end. Create your outline from the flowchart. Combine sequential activities that are closely related. Be sure to balance your detail in each step. Not enough detail and the instruction is unclear. Too much detail and the intended users may not read it. Once you have clearly written the steps, you will need to write an open summary paragraph. This summary paragraph should be an overview that includes inputs, outputs, expected results, and roles involved in the process. Things to consider when you write standard operating procedures include: the font should be easy to read. Pages should be numbered. Use a consistent format. Use relevant and straightforward terms. It should be focused and to the point. Clearly outline the required steps to take. It should be measurable and specific. An SOP must be reviewed by all departments involved in the process or production of the product. Although it should be written explicitly for one department's responsibility in the process, you need to cross-check with each department. Remember, some procedures will be used during customer interactions and must be simple to follow. A standard operating procedure should not be a substitute for training. It should reinforce your training. It will take some time and effort to get all the SOPs you need for your business completed, but it will be time and effort that pays off in consistency and efficiency for your business. Standard operating procedures are needed in all businesses, whether new or growing. You should review procedures and update them periodically. I am passionate about helping entrepreneurs, small business owners, business and health coaches with the support they need to focus on building their business. I have developed standard operating procedure templates that are available on my website. Make a beeline to paperchaserbiz.com to pick up your copy. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. If you could like this video and comment below, that would help me grow my channel.